Welcome to ViewGrip site review video. In this video we will learn how to increase views from the ViewGrip site, and also we will learn how to increase likes from the ViewGrip site. So I was earlier mentioned in my one of the video, so I will introduce you guys one site which can give you guys the best quality free views for your videos. So far I find the ViewGrip is the one of the best site for the views, and also you can get around up to 5 minutes long free views. So most of the other sites we will not be able to get it freely for around 300 seconds videos. So later I will show you all those details. Now we will see basic things like what is this ViewGrip. So I already mentioned this is one of the best social exchange site to get around 5 minutes long views and quality likes. When I say quality likes means because in this site before user closes your video, he has to watch minimum 20 seconds video, 20 seconds, and then like it and then need to close. If you don't do that 20 seconds long watching, then the user will not get the points. So they are forced to watch your videos at least for 20 seconds. So this kind of likes is YouTube consider as a something like a quality likes compared to the other exchange sites like where people just like and close and then get the points and go away. So that's why I always ask you guys to use this site for the likes. So then the next one is the steps what we need to follow is the first step is please download the Brave browser from this link. So once you do this Brave browser, then you also need a ViewGrip client for your Brave browser. So without this you will not earn the free points from this particular site. So in order to do that, we just need to click on this link provided here. So I just copy and then I will show you guys. Just go to this page. Here you just need to add to your Brave. So once you add this Brave, then you can add to the extension here, then it will add to your extensions. Once it is done, you just close it. Then you need, next one is you need a you need to sign up to the ViewGrip site. Later I will add in here the ViewGrip site link. You follow that link and then you can sign up. So once you sign up, then you will see this page. The welcome page is like this here. So I already signed up, so I just go to my account setting from your user name here at the top. Once you go to account settings, then the page you see something like this here. So if you from the on the left hand side, first one is a dashboard, then second one is campaign and the how to get the credits, then how to shop on this website, and then they will show you activities and applicates and all those things. Then the first thing we will visit what is there in the dashboard. So in the dashboard is something like this page, you see it here. They mention how you get points and what you can do it. So for example, they say just like a warning, this is my campaigns will not run because credits, I don't have credits in my account. That's why they will show this warning. Once you have a credits, they will not, this notification will disappear. And then to get 2000 free credits and VIP, check here. So let's check what you need to do in order to get your 2000 credits. So they say something like this, you see, review our app. So the review their app means their app in the Google Play. You need to install their app and then need to give a 5-star review for them, and you will get around 2000 credits freely, and then also 48 hours of VIP free. So I think VIP have a better features. Those things we will see it later. So now, what you need to do is how to get it. So that one is first you need to install application, then you need to give a 5-star review. The minimum words is around minimum 10 words. You can write more, but don't write it less. And then they take the screenshot of your review results and upload it to, they gave actually paste.pix site. So you go only upload to this site and get that URL, and then send that particular link to the here. You just copy paste your link here and then you send. Once you do this, this is the best way you can get quickly 2000 credits and to start up with your activity. So this 2000 credits means you can get around each like and each around 5 minutes long watch time is around 30 points. So if you divide around 400 30 around 60 to 70 5 minutes long views, you can get it freely. Otherwise around 60 to 70 likes you can get it freely for any of your videos with this simple activity on this site. So okay, then we will go back to the dashboard again. So the next one, you see already those. Once you get the VIP one, next they say use the strong password for your account. That is up to you guys. And then see there are a few more points we need to look here. Once you complete the 100 actions, means 100 activities like follow, 100 likes, or as watching 100 videos, so you will get around 150 points. Then completing by 250 actions you get 300, and then while completing by 850 actions you get around 1000 free points. Then you complete 500. This is actions is nothing but watching videos and whatever, but then they have a special package for if you like around 500 likes on this site, you will get a VIP 1 day. And then once you finish around 600 views, then you will also get 1 day VIP day. So these are some of the features, free features. Then some other news, latest news is here, that is secure. Okay, this is the link. So to get VIP for 14 days, what you need to do? So this is also a very quite attractive feature here. So they say what you need to do is this says like something like this: perform 600 actions today. So reach 600 actions, you can try next day, no cheating, then you will get it. And you use this code VIP 14 days free, then you will get able to get it the 14 days free VIP one. So then you can go through what are the requirements on this site, then you will come to know what is this VIP program, 14 days VIP program. I will not go in details on that because this may close any time. I will focus mainly on the site review, so how you can earn the points and how you can get the quality likes and quality views for your videos. Okay, so this is the main page and dashboard, and then also shows what action, how many actions you completed and how many credits you have, what is the balance and total how many actions, something, all these details you can see from this main dashboard. Okay, so next one is the campaigns, how you can create a campaign. So this is the important thing, some of the few things you need to know how to set up your campaigns. Then we will go first here. So here currently they give you two actions once you click on campaigns. One is create campaigns, another one is my campaigns. Since you are new and you don't have any my campaign, so you have to create your first campaign here, create by clicking on this create campaign. So once come to here, then here is the thing. See here you need to enter your YouTube URL, any URL, and then you can give any name of your particular URL, and then here is the very important, the selection. So if you do mistake, then later you realize, and then by the time you will lose your points. You enable this point, it says YouTube like plus 30 credits. So that means what happens is they will, because this is actually, this campaign is for the YouTube views. So but in these views they also combine with likes also. So that means once you select this option, they will deduct 30 points for the like and 30 points for means how many points you how long you want your video. Based on that they also deduct points for your watch time. So what I suggest is, if you are going for the only for the views, then you have to disable this. Otherwise usually likes you get on this site is very fast, so your points will be eaten up very fast, then you will get very less views compared to likes. So that's why what I suggest, what I do is I'll create a campaign, separate campaigns for views, separate campaigns for watch time. So when I want to create a watch time, so what I do is I just disable this point. I only enable this views here. Okay, so you after do this views, then you also need to set how long you want your videos to be watched. So here is the link. See, from minimum is 60 seconds you will get watched. Then this is the maximum how much you want. Suppose if you have a video of 5 minutes long, you need to set up to 300 seconds. Then another very good thing is, suppose if everyone watch your video exactly 5 minutes, then YouTube may think that it is a bot or something you are getting. So that's why these guys have another option setting, something like this. You set up from here, for example, from 270 seconds to 300. So this is the random one. So for that they will also deduct something like, you see, 27 points to 30 points. That means user will, not all the users will stop at 270 seconds or 300 seconds. They will randomly set each individual viewers, they will give some random seconds between these two. So if you set from 240 to this one, then some may stop at 240, some may stop at 250, 260 video. I do not know exactly that random how they will going to stop it, but based on that they will deduct the points, something like, see, 24 to 30 points they will deduct from your account. So, okay, so this is the very important thing. Don't set all at 300 seconds. I suggest you maybe some around 240, 260 to 300, so that different people have a different watch time, so that YouTube bot may not detect all the views what you are getting is something from the bot, not from the real people. So this is the important feature you should remember. Then when you go down further, they also have a couple of settings, how many actions you want to set. So there is a disable currently. If you want, suppose 1000 or 100 per day, you need to enter here value by enabling. And also this is a total action per minute. So in particular this video, how many total number of views you want it. So this one, if you enable and then you set 1000, so this is total 1000 points, 1000 views you are allocating only for this particular video, and per day maximum you are allocating 100 views. So that in this way you are actually distributing your views or likes or whatever over the period of time. So it's not that everything is getting 1 hour or something like 1 day. So YouTube may think that all these are generated from the bots. So this is the best feature. You set it properly so that every day you get the views, likes, something like that. And then you need to enter security code. Once you run the campaign, click on it, it will run. So I can show you later my campaigns once it runs, how it will be there. So this is a simple few steps. If you follow, you will actually get the like some things like real views. Because why I call it real views means these views also watched by real people, not the bots. So that's why. And also you will get it something like a random end time also. Once you get random end time and real people are watching from different IPs, YouTube usually will consider these views as a real views. So better chances of your videos can also rank higher slowly over the time. Okay, then we will go back to the next setting, that is actually campaigns. Then create, okay, my campaigns I selected already. Then once you create another one, select here. Then if you want to have only likes, then also what you need to do is you enter here, then click on likes, then disable views here, then you will get it only likes, no views for you. So like this you can have both different setting for views as well as likes. And here you can see again for likes also you can set same, enable how many actions per day and how many actions totally you want it for each video. So this is the good feature for settings for any videos to control, like not coming all 50 at like 10 minutes, 1 hour, something like that. Because if you order any package from anyone, they will not usually distribute over the time. They actually give you all at one shot. Then it is something like a suddenly coming something and then stop for forever. So those kind of videos usually will not rank higher. So you have to get it consistently over a period of time. Then it shows it is something like naturally you are getting. Then there are chances that YouTube algorithm can push your video slowly up in search results. Okay, so once this one done, okay, later we see in my campaigns what are the things are there. So in my campaign, if you already created campaigns, you can select from here. For example, you see YouTube views campaigns and YouTube likes campaigns, and in this channel earlier there was a subscribers also was there, but for temporarily they close. So they will enable this feature maybe soon or later. So but as of now there is no subscribers option is available. So if I choose mine views, if I select like this, you can see there are two videos I set up. One is this is the title, you can see it here, and then you can see here I set 1000 and then set for something, and then I only got the 12 points. After that point no more points, so I am not, this video is not running yet. And also I actually stop it. You can actually enable or disable anything, so these things you should know. And then second video I got around 53 views and also disable it. And then one more very important thing is, you should remember, once you add a video and by chance if you delete it, you cannot add the same video to get views again. So if that's why, that is the point you need to remember always. If not, you add today and delete, and then tomorrow if you want to add back the same video, that those videos they are not going to give the video views. So they have, this is the terms and conditions, later I show you, so you should remember that. That's why if you want to stop it for temporarily, you can disable it, so you will not get the views for that particular video. But once you decide you don't want any more views or any more likes for that particular video, then you can go on the edit, and then you can go on edit this button, then you can see here delete away completely, so you can delete it. But if you don't want to delete, then you can do here enable or disable. So if you want to enable, you can enable it anytime, and if you want to stop it, you can just click on disable first. So this is how you settings you follow. But if you delete, then same video you cannot add back to the same system unless you create another account. Okay, so that one also there is a very strict for this site. I will show you later what happens if you create a multiple accounts. Okay, yeah, so now I think we completed the my campaigns details, how to create it. Then we will go to the next one. Very important is how to get the credits from this site. So here there are three things. Open client. So open client, once you click on it, just now you already added the clients to your Brave browser, so that's why they give you two options here. You see, one is start views, another one is start liking. So I don't know why. Okay, if I click on my start views, you can see the error message here. Your IP is being used on another client. That means my IP is a shared IP in this complete building apartment, so maybe that is the reason someone else might be already using it. That's why I see this error message here, IP is being used. Or else I need not create any multiple accounts. So that's why I please suggest you don't create a multiple accounts for this site or from the same IP address, and also don't log in from same IP address 2 or 3 accounts. Once you do that, you can do the likes, no problem, but you will not get the views option. The views is very best thing is in this site. Once you click start views, this video will come in, this pop-up message pop-up window will come, and videos will start auto playing it. That means you no need to click on any view or something. Once you opens this, you just push it down here, down, then you start doing your other activities. You will earn points without doing anything. So this is the best feature for getting the free points from this particular site without any iMacro script or without any of the boards or anything. But only thing is, collecting points will be slower, because in order to earn 30 points you have to watch minimum 5 minutes video long. So in that case, in 1 hour maximum you can earn is around 30 means around 300 to 400 points maximum you can earn in an hour. So 5 minutes, yeah, in 30 minutes you will get around 30. So that means around 500 to 600 points. But if you want more points quicker, then you need to go for the likes option. I will show you how. So I think you understand here. The main important thing is don't create multiple accounts for VueGrip site from the same IP address. Also don't log in with couple of multiple accounts on the same PC. So once you do it, they will block your IP, so then you will not able to earn money credits from the Vue option. So you will left with only one option, that will be the likes option. Okay, so I close this for now. Then otherwise you can close like that, or else you can stop it here. So now you see, now again get back the both options here. So once I click on start like option, start like options will like this. So just now I said, right, 20 minutes, so 20 seconds. You see here, you have to watch minimum 20 seconds, and within this 20 seconds finish, you have to click on your the like button. After this like but 20 seconds, this video will auto refresh it. You no need to close anything. You can see here, once done, so this is the auto, it will refresh. That is the system they develop. And you see, once done 20 seconds, then the new video will come it here. Once new video come, you can just click like button anytime, and within this 20 seconds finish, then you just wait for next video to come up here. Okay, so this is on each click, each like, you will get around 25 to 30 points. That means in 1 hour you can earn lot of points by liking option than watching option. But watching option is, you no need to manually do any clicking. You just open the client and just push down side, and you can do other activities. But for liking, you have to do it manually, because I tried maximum with any of the iMacros. This site is not working for iMacros, but I'm also checking with my expert. I'm soon or later I will come up with some board for this particular site, but as of now I do not have any script. But you have to do it manually. But this way, you do even like 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you will earn quite a lot of points, and you can use it for your likes. So that means 1-to-1 exchange kind of. You will earn 30 points and then you will get 1 likes. So as long as you do like that. But if you don't finish like button, see just now particularly I waited until last minute. So if you don't click on that, then they say there is an error message, you did not click it, and then you click continue something. So I will show you now. I will not click on the like button. What happens after 20 seconds, you can see they will pop up error message, and then they will ask you to wait for a few seconds to refresh with another video here. See, I did not like on this, and then 20 seconds finish here. Then they will now, you see here, calling another video in 10 seconds. Time has run out, like not detected. So that means the user has to like the video within the 20 seconds. Then only they can earn points. Otherwise, they will not get the points, and they need to wait for some more time. Okay, I think you understand what you need to do here. So, and if you want to stop it anytime, you can just click on stop button. It will close. Then you can just close it, and from here you can open client anytime. Okay, so this is one way you can earn the points. Then there is another ways also, faster ways how you can earn is from this site is extra rewards here. So in the extra rewards, they have some survey sites here. I never tried it honestly, but if you guys interested and want to earn something, you see, you finish this particular survey opinion site, they are going to give you 12,800 points straight away at one. They say register an account, confirm email ID, and complete your first survey. Once you complete your first survey from this site, they are going to give you around 12,800 points for this. Like that, they have a few survey sites registered here, and you can load more also. Lot of sites you see here, so many things. So if you want to earn faster way and faster things, then I think this is the best option. You can try it yourself, but I did not try it. So up to you guys. But yeah, this is another way of earning free points quickly from this particular site. Then we go back to the get points one. Yeah, so these are the two things. Then you click on learn this. Then they give you some of the site terms, condition, what you can do it, and all those things. And also you can see category, coupons, exchange knowledge, and all those. You can get more knowledge or more views about this particular site. So that we completed dashboard, completed the campaigns, and completed the get points. And then last one is actually another option is shop. Suppose if you don't have a time to get manually by yourself, then you can actually buy the points, buy credits from them. So buy credits is like currently I think each time they have a different proportion. So but as of now they have a promotion like 30% extra bonus if you purchase over $10 one. So suppose you enter here $10, so you will get around 15,000 points and then 4,500 bonus points. So like this, I did not purchase it, but if you are in a quality, if you want to faster quality views or some quality likes, you can also use this method to get it things faster if you don't have a time. Then another option also we need to look is buying a premium members. So buying a premium means actually currently our membership, once you sign up, will be a basic membership, no purchases, we cannot purchase, no subscription at actually free forever. So there is no limitation for the free, so you can be a permanently free member. But premium, they have another option is premium for 1 month $14. So you can instantly purchase things and pay your balances, and then you will get around 9,000 credits per month and no subscription, something like this. You see here they have 3 options: 60 days, 90 days, how much. So that is up to you guys. You want these benefits faster, then you can go it. And also there is a premium for 15 days. They're going to give you 30,000 points, but you need to pay around $30, sorry, not 30,000 points, $30, and for 15 days you will get 30,000 credits also, and for 30 days you will get 50,000 credits, and you need to pay extra, how much it is, 30 days, yeah. So these are the 3 membership they have, and they actually give you some benefits here. They are not benefits, what are the things you can get it from basic and premium options. You see the basic options, priority options you don't have, and you will get the priority options here. In basic membership option, revenue or action, for example, you click on the video and you get 30, supposed to get a 30 points for each video, but you will only get as a 70% of that points, the rest they will take it. But if you have a membership of premium, you click on any like button, you will get it 30 points straight away without any reduction. And another limitation for free member is we can have only 5 campaigns in our account, one account. So if you want add more campaigns, then you may need to end up deleting your previous videos, then you can add the new videos. But for the premium membership, there is a unlimited, you can add unlimited links, video links to and create a campaigns. And then the other one is daily bonus. For the free members they give up to 550 credits, but for the premium members they're giving up to 1100 credits. I never reach this limit, so I don't know how I get it. Then the change of gender or country is not allowed once after registering free members, but for the paid members they are allowing, and get unlimited credits. Yes, for both membership this is allowed. And traffic source protection also, both membership is allowed. And you can actually, there is one more option also here, you can transfer your credits to another member on this site only. So for that, once you use the free account, you need to pay the 10% fee for transferring other people. But if we have a premium member, the transfer fee is 0%. So that means you can freely transfer to any other members on this site. So that one we will see here. Top up, there is another option left is top up balance here. So you can top up with the balance with PayPal or Bitcoin. So up to you guys, you can use whatever options you want. And then let's say additional 20% balance top up over $50. So there's promotion up valid until 31st July. So like this you will explore that the moment of your purchasing or your upgrading time, you will have maybe different bonuses. So that's why I will not go through these things in detail. Then the next one is the activity. Yeah, so just now I mentioned transfer credit. So there is also transfer credit. If you want to transfer your credit to some other account, you just enter their credit account, credit username, and then you want how many points, and then they will have a free transfer fee of 10%, because my membership is a free membership. But if you have a paid membership, you will get 0% you can transfer to other people. So this is the one option. And another activity, they show redeem coupons. So sometimes they will give a coupons. Once you have a coupons, you redeem it, then you will get the free points. So you may look for in Google or somewhere someone releasing the coupons for this particular site to get some free points. But as of now, I think don't have any coupons available, so that's why I will not brief it much. And then the next one is rewards here. So the rewards is something like this. So currently I have a 350 clicks. I have only so far done only this much, but once you complete 1000 actions or 1000 clicks, then I will get around 550 credits. But for me it is not available as of now because I haven't completed. But next 10,000 actions if you complete, you will get around 5000 free points. But once you complete 1500 action, 5 premium days they will give you. And if you completed around 7500 action, you will get 3500 credits. And if you complete 500 action, around 250 credits. If you complete 5000 action, around 2500 credits. So these are the something like they want to give a bonus to users, so that users can actually start using their site faster and more and more. So but this is all up to you guys how you want to use it. But as per me, so far this is one of the best site for the views and also for the likes. So but currently I do not have a iMacro script for this particular site, and that's why I just give you guys first review about this site. And once if I get it some script, I will come up with another new video and I will add it. I will inform you guys so that you can use those scripts to get the free automate the YouTube likes, and then you can get it points automatically. So but now also you can earn points from this particular site freely without automatically by the YouTube views option. But the earning points views portion is slow and slowly, but still that is something like automatic. You no need to manually do any things. Okay, so this is it about this particular site review, and you can click on this guide and then can learn more things. And then just move on to my blog. So later I will provide all the required links on this site, and then I will publish it, and then you can add this link to my video description, then you can get it from there. And then just me give you some highlights about my current scripts are working. So currently I have so many scripts here, and I tested few days back. All of these scripts still works perfectly. Like add me first post like for like site 1, and then like for post like, and then the add me first Instagram followers, likes, YouTube on YT Monster 1. All of them was working at least 2 days back. So I will consistently check on these sites, and if any of those is not working, I will either update it or else pass for temporarily. And I am also working with another team so to add more scripts for the other sites also. Once I'm success from there, then I will add in more scripts soon in my channel. So please follow my channel and keep get the updates always. Okay, thank you for watching this ViewGrip site review video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much once again, and I'm going to end this video now.